In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ads.txt in Blogger website. If your AdSense account is showing an ads text not found warning for your Blogger site, this walkthrough will get you from error to fixed. Ads.txt is a simple text file that tells advertisers which companies are authorized to sell your ad inventory. Having it in place protects your revenue and is required by many ad platforms, including AdSense. Start by signing in to your AdSense account. Open the Sites section and look for the site that shows the Not Found message. Click into it to reveal the ads.txt code snippet that AdSense generated for your site. This snippet is unique to your account, so copy it exactly as shown. Don't change any characters, punctuation, or spacing. Just select all of it and copy. Next, open Blogger and select the blog you want to fix. Go to Settings, then scroll down until you see the Monetization section. Here, turn on the option to enable a custom ads.txt. Once that switch is enabled, click the custom ads.txt option that appears. A text editor will open. Paste the code snippet you copied from AdSense into this box. Again, make sure it's an exact paste. Plain text only, no extra spaces or formatting. When you're done, click Save. Now let's verify it's live. In a new browser tab, visit your blog's ads.txt URL. For a standard Blogger address, that's your blog.blogspot.com/ads.txt. You should see the exact text you pasted. If you're using a custom domain, check it at your root domain, like example.com/ads.txt. If the file doesn't appear right away, give it a few minutes and refresh, or try an incognito window to bypass caching. Back in AdSense, the warning won't clear instantly. That's normal. It can take up to 24 to 48 hours for Google to recheck your site and mark the issue as resolved. You don't need to resubmit anything, just let the system pick it up. A few quick tips if it still doesn't show. Confirm you saved in Blogger, make sure the content is plain text with no extra characters, and check that your site isn't redirecting the ads.txt path somewhere else. If you've added other authorized sellers, keep each entry on its own line and avoid typos. That's it. You copied the correct snippet from AdSense, enabled custom ads.txt in Blogger, pasted the code, saved it, and verified the file at your ads.txt URL. Give AdSense a little time and the warning should disappear on its own.